Hello, and thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we are going to the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. It is one of the original properties that was built on the Las Vegas Strip and one of the only original properties that's still in operation today. The Tropicana originally opened on April 4th, 1957, and has been through many renovations since then. A part of the Tropicana that stayed original, however, are these bungalow rooms. They were part of the original design of the Tropicana, and you can see them on the left and right hand side of the screen. The Sky Beach Club doesn't appear to be in operation, and time has not been kind to it. It appears to be in some disrepair. The check-in process for rooms in Las Vegas varies from property to property. At the Tropicana, there's not really any virtual check-in options. You stand in line and you're checked in by a person. And on this day, there was only 2 people working the check-in counter, checking in guests, so it did take a little bit longer.
Check out this cool curved ceiling made out of leaded glass, and it was designed and installed in the 80s.
Our room was in the club tower, which is a little bit of a walk from the registration check-in desk to get up to the actual tower. So here we're just showing you a little bit of the walk that you would need to take to get up to that tower. You walk through the casino, up some escalators, and then you go through the Palm Walkway, which is a long breezeway connecting the casino with the club tower. And it features windows on both sides which have a view of the pool area. The view is basically looking out at the airport, and then that failed Ferris wheel that never got built, the Mandalay Bay over there. And then as we pan to the left, it's UNLV and the east side of Las Vegas. Little sitting area.
The accents are kind of nice. They're like bamboos themed or whatever. The accent lamps are nice.
Yeah.
Big bed. Yeah, a little soft, but.
Toilet is not exactly what you would call clean.
What?
Tiles are a little chipped. Not the best kept room. Or the cleanest. What is that? Not sure what that is.
Irvine's food.
Not sure what that is. Not sure what that is.
No,
Not
the other
sure
one we're
what
in.
that is. This is a king room, but I'm pretty sure it's 2 twin beds pushed together, because you can see the separation right there.
King, though, I think.
Right, but it's 2 twin beds
Yeah, probably.
pushed together.
Looks like it. Would you like some popcorn with your room? Well, here we have popcorn on the ceilings.
They do give you some free waters, so that's nice.
And you stay at the Trop.
Right off the elevators, when you get off the elevator, is Barista Cafe, which is pretty convenient. We're gonna head out and check out the pool. There is a Starbucks on site, which is really nice. And then right next to it is a food court that doesn't appear to be open. This is the outside view of that breezeway we walked through to get to the club tower. Because that breezeway goes right over the pool, it creates a lot of shade, which would be really nice on sunny, hot days. The other side of the pool has a lot of shade created by the palm trees, a lot more shade than I've noticed at other pool complexes in Las Vegas. Up this little pathway behind the cabanas is a hot tub. I didn't want to get too close because there's people in there, but it looked pretty nice.
Wow, look at this beer list.
Ooh. It's on the other side.
Yeah, wine, I believe. Oh, no, lunch and dinner, sorry.
Oh.
Robert Irvine's is very good. We're here at the Trop and we're just trying some appetizers and having some beer, of course. You gotta do that. I'm impressed. Food was really good. Service was great. So while the Tropicana is here, I highly recommend stopping by Robert Irvine's and giving it a try. 2 thumbs up.
One of the most desirable things about staying at the Tropicana is its location, so let's go out these doors to Las Vegas Boulevard and check it out.
You got a great view of this.
Yeah.
Oh, it says Mad Apple.
You got the Excalibur over here.
Excalibur.
New York, New York, the MGM, and the Tropicana. They say it's the busiest corner and the most concentration of hotels on a street corner ever. What do you say?
Sounds right.
Okay.
Some thoughts on the Trop, on this room. Yeah, it's a place to stay. It's dated. It's not the cleanest in the world, but if it's a place you just wanted to flop for the night or a couple of nights and you're really not spending that much time in your room, then it's probably decent value. But
the location is good, right
Yeah.
next to the MGM, across from Excalibur in New York, New York. Escalators that go to both. That's cool. The pool is nice.
Yeah,
and
pool's really
Robert
nice.
Irvine's was pretty cool. If you're into the Laugh Factory, I guess you could go there. But
Yeah.
as far as the room,
So. Meh.
yeah.
Thanks for watching and have a fabulous Vegas day.